So what are these? They are quadrilaterals. But they have given in different shapes. So they have 4 vertices and 1 diagonals. And what they have given? They have given height to the distance from the vertices to the diagonal, that is called height. So area of quadrilateral formula,
half into diagonal.
area of quadrilateral formula into half into diagonal into sum of
H1
heights.
H2.
Sum of heights. So what is the diagonal they have given here?
So dB.
So diagonal is dB, that is 12 centimeters, and height one is AE 9 centimeters, and height 2 is CF
14 cm.
10 centimeters.
Oh, 10
So
cm.
second figure also, is it also similar? No, same area of quadrilateral it is.
Half into diagonal into H1 H2. PR is
Half
diagonal
into
and
diagonal into H1 plus H2.
H2.
What is diagonal length they have given? 20
PR
centimeters.
is equals to 20
PR.
centimeters.
Height 1 is 6 centimeters and height 2 is
10 centimeters.
10 centimeters.
Sir,
Then
by mistake, if we take
height 1 and height 2, if you change it also, nothing will happen. So half into 12 into 9 plus 10. Okay. So area will be equal to, instead of writing half, can we cancel this? 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 into
Simple
10
calculation,
plus
sir.
9 is 19.
19.
So 19 6 are
106 114.
4 centimeters square. You have to mention square. So here also half into diagonal is 20. So 6 plus 10. 2 ones, 2 tens. 10 into 16. 16 into 10 is
6.
160 centimeter square. Done.
Yes.